10 outstanding Bill Gates inventions. With a massive fortune estimated at over $146 billion, Bill Gates is the world's fourth richest man. Since establishing Microsoft, the tech magnate is no stranger to identifying big invention potentials. He has been a forerunner of the new wave of philanthropy and is a staunch believer in the power of innovation. Bill Gates has invested heavily into many areas of research and technology and has invested billions of dollars into funding education and health ministries. Bill Gates holds the belief that we are almost at the tipping point in humanity's technological development. Now onwards, we should focus on creations that will make better instead of longer. On that note, in today's video, we have compiled a list of Bill Gates' top 10 breakthrough inventions. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Bill Gates' top 10 breakthrough inventions. Number 1. Predicting preemies. Bill Gates is a huge investor in the healthcare sector. He has shown immense support for a new blood test that is known to identify the likelihood of an infant being born prematurely. This scientific breakthrough could potentially save the lives of many infants and mothers. Number 2. Carbon dioxide catcher. This is a fine piece of technology that aims to trap carbon before it even enters the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide catcher is becoming available at a reasonable rate, and scientists reckon carbon capture and storage tools can slash CO2 emissions from power stations by up to 90%. Therefore, Bill Gates, in partnership with two oil companies, Occidental Petroleum and Chevron, has invested in Canada's carbon engineering. Number 3. Smooth talking AI assistants. There is no doubt that virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa, and Apple's Siri have several advantages, but they are still incapable of making our lives simpler. This is because they are engineered to recognize only a few directives and can be easily confused. Bill Gates has invested in recent advancements that can capture semantic relationships between words and are being developed to make machines better at understanding languages and becoming autonomous. Number 4. Robot dexterity. Robotics tools and automation techniques are being developed in many factories across the globe. But these robots still operate in a closely monitored and caring environment. This is because robots are clumsy and inflexible. But robot dexterity has been developed to straighten out these issues. Thus, Bill Gates has invested in technology that builds high-quality mechanical devices such as robotic hands. Applying artificial intelligence (AI) software, these machines can be equipped to deal with unfamiliar and unpredictable environments in the foreseeable future. Number 5. The cow-free burger. Bill Gates has invested in a promising company that claims to grow animal tissue from stem cells called Memphis Meats. Thus, lab-grown and plant-based alternatives are said to recreate the nutritional value of meat without causing any harm to the environment. As the population grows rapidly, there will be no more mouths to feed. Thus, experts are working on finding an affordable solution that will reduce the world's reliance on the polluting meat industry. Number 6. Sanitation without sewers. 2.3 billion people in the world still don't have access to good sanitation, causing potentially harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites to breed. Thus, energy-efficient toilets that operate without a sewer system and deal with waste effectively are the need of the hour. Number 7. Customized cancer vaccines. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is developing a treatment that kills tumor cells with the help of the body's own immune system. If successful, these vaccines could prevent millions of people from dying of cancer. Number 8. Gut probe in a pill. Swallowable capsules that can project images inside the human digestive system, perform biopsies, and treat infants and children are being developed to prevent diseases such as environmental enteric dysfunction from spreading. This is a promising invention that could make life longer and better in the coming future. Number 9. New wave nuclear power. Bill Gates has invested in fusion, being billed as the favored power source for the anticipated future. This is because its reactors are wired to not melt down and they don't create high levels of toxic waste like conventional nuclear sources of energy. Generation 4 fusion reactors, and small modular reactors are being developed to reduce carbon emissions and make power sources safer, more reliable, and cheaper. Number 10. Wrist-worn electrocardiogram (ECG) monitors. Last but not least, we have a breakthrough innovation with the help of which people will be able to monitor their hearts with wearable wrist devices. This will provide easy regulation and a hassle-free life. Apple AAPL is one of the many companies that have received clearance to develop ECG monitors for their smartwatches from the FDA or Food and Drug Administration. All thanks to Bill Gates, the future now seems like a better place to live in. Even though most of the news and books these days describe the future world as a bleak place, Bill Gates considers himself an optimist and believes in the inclusive use of technology to improve people's quality of life. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us, so please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.